Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa ahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi wa tammim bil khair. So we are going to start our today's session. Last week we did the types of mafa'il and also status of an ism, that it can be fa'il, it can be mansoob, it can be majroor, it can be marfu. So there are three status for ism, that is marfu, mansoob and majroor. So for the ism, when can it be marfu? It can if it is fa'il, inside door, outside door, naibul fa'il, khabar and mubtada and jumla ismiya, and ismu kana and its sisters, default status of mudaf, and detached pronoun, all they are marfu. When it can be mansub, the most important thing is all maf'ul, mafa'il, objects, their status will always be mansub. If before ism, if there is nawasibul ism, inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, la'alla, if they come, then the ism will become mansub. Khabru kana and its sister will be mansub. It has two parts, ismu kana, khabru kana. Ismu kana will be marfu, khabru kana will be mansub. And after harf nida, the ism will be mansub. Ya Rasulallah, Ya Abdallah. In Jumla Ismiya, when we make it negative because due to Laisa and Ma, then the khabar will become mansub. La nafiyatul jins, ism of la. After la, when there is a ism, that is called la nafiyatul, ism of la nafiyatul jins. It is that la nafiyatul jins is basically followed by ism nakra, mansub, light. So this mansub, basically after this la, it will always, this will be mansub, the ism of la nafiyatul jins. And this is also a pronoun attached to verb. It is also mansub because it is maf'ul, that's why it will be mansub. Majroor, there are two conditions. One, because of huruf jar, we also say them prepositions. If there will come huruf jar, fi, min, ala, and all these, they when they come after that, the ism will be always be majroor. Mudaf ilayh, default will be majroor there. A pronoun attached to ism, a pronoun attached to an ism, this will be majroor. But it is, if you just look into this, you will see that it is because mudaf ilayh. So these attached pronouns here are mudaf ilayh, and mudaf ilayh will be majroor. So this is what we revised last week, and also mafa'il. Before that, types of maf'ul we discussed. Today we are going to start a topic which is called al asma'ul mawsula, connected nouns. Connected nouns are, these are the nouns which connect the words, like alladhi, alladhina, allati, allati. These are basically connected nouns. First of all, we should know the meaning of them. They are used a lot. They are used to connect the part of sentences with each other. First of all, we should know every time we discuss them, but we should know the meaning. First thing, alladhi, the one who, the plural is alladhina, those who. And the feminine of alladhi is allati, the one who, feminine. And plural will be Allah, Allahi or Allati. This is plural, those who, allati, those who, allahi, those who. It is feminine of alladhina. Similarly, we have the dual of this, alladhani, alladhaini, those two who, or those two which, allatani, allataini, those two which. So first of all, we should know the meaning. These are used a lot. They are masculine and feminine both. Alladhi, the one who. Plural is alladhina. And feminine of alladhi is allati. And alladhina will be allati and allahi. And the dual will allazani, allazaini. These connecting noun, basically they are used for connecting one part of sentence with another, and we say them asma'ul mawsula. Whenever these nouns come, we need a sentence or a fragment which will give them complete meaning. If you see here, alladhina yu'minuna. So alladhina is basically from asma mawsula, ismu mawsul, and yu'minuna is the second part. It is which is called silatul mawsul. So it has two parts, isma mawsul and silatul mawsul. Alladhina yu'minuna, those who they believe. The second thing is, and we discussed this, that they are they are non-flexible. Alladhi, all those have the same marfu, majroor, mansoob. Marfu, mansoob and majroor, they will be same except dual. As you can see there, allazani, allazaini, allazaini, allatani, allataini, allataini. So marfu and mansoob, they have different, but otherwise for singular and plural, they all asmaul mawsula are non-flexible except their duals. So also man and ma, they can also be used for as asma or mausula. Ma and min, like man harrama, who forbade. So man and ma are also used. So the thing is that what are the asma or mausula are alladhi, alladhani, alladhina. Feminine of alladhi is allati, allatani, allataini, allati, allai. If you see the example, every time whenever we did, they are used a lot. Like here, وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. So if I ask Buraq.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Alaikum salam, Buraq. وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. What is any ism mawsul here? Anything from asma'u mawsula?
Alladhi.
In this
Alladhina.
Alladhina. What about here?
Alladhi and alladhina.
What is the meaning of alladhi?
Alladhi, the one who, or the one.
Alladhina.
Alladhina, the one who, I mean those who, sorry.
Those who. What is the feminine of alladhi?
Allati.
And alladhina?
Allai, or allati.
Allai or allati. And what is the dual for alladhi?
Alladhina or alladhani.
Dual of alladhi. Alladhi mean?
The one who.
The one who. If I say those two who? Masculine.
Alladhain.
Alladhain.
Or alladhani.
Allazani or alladhaini. It depends on that what it is used. Okay. And what is the meaning of allati here?
Allati is the one who in feminine.
Feminine. So if I ask you what are asma'u mawsula, then
I would say allati, allatani, allataini, allati, allai, and for masculine too. Alladhi, alladhani, alladain, alladhina.
And the meaning of alladhani?
Alladhani, those two who, or those two which.
And alladhina?
Alladhina, those who.
Okay. If it is alladhina amanu, what is isma mawsul here?
Alladhina.
Alladhina. And what do we say amanu? Amanu will be,
Sila.
yes, say completely.
Sila.
Silatul,
Sila to Mawsula.
sila. So it has two parts basically. One is ism mausul, and second, after ism mausul, always there comes a fragment or sentence which is called silatul mausul. And what is the purpose of these things? Alladhi, alladina, allati, allatani, allati. What is the purpose? Why they are used?
Connecting the nouns.
Nouns?
Used for connecting one part of a
Sentence, one part of the sentence to the other
sentence
part. So
to the
they
other.
connect. So they, if you translate here, go ahead.
وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا and إذا when la for
Laqu, this is complete word laqu.
oh
They
لقوا
met.
they met الذين those who آمنوا believe and when they met those who believe.
Those who believe. And because of Iza, the meaning will be and when they meet those who believed. Thank you, Burak. Okay, so I would go to Musab.
Assalamu alaikum.
Can you please just teach us about the Isma Mausula?
Yes, Mawsula connecting nouns like allazi, allati, and allazina and allati.
And they are used for
Connecting the sentence.
Part of the sentence. Connect the one part of the sentence with
the other part.
That. So there is a complete one sentence, but they connect with each other. Okay. Alladhi meaning Alladhi.
The one who.
Alladhina.
Allazina, those two.
Okay. And Alladhina.
Those who.
Okay. And what is the feminine of Alladhina?
Allati.
Okay. And feminine of Alladhi.
Allati.
So you have to be careful when you say feminine of Alladhi.
Allati.
If you say Allati, then it will be like this. See here, there is here Allati, those who. And how you will pronounce it? Allati.
Allati.
Say again.
Allati.
Meaning?
The one who for feminine.
And what is this?
Allati.
Allati. So here, so you have to say it Allati. There is Aleph after Lam. So here is Allati, the one who. Okay. Can you please take this?
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah allazi hadana.
Hadana. What is there any ism mausul here?
Yes, allazi is.
And what is silatul mausul here? Will be?
Allazi.
Alladhi is sila isma mausul. And the second part will always we say it as silatul mausul. What is silatul mausul here? Hadana. Okay, can you please translate it?
Okay. Alhamd. All praise.
All praise and thanks.
All praise and thanks. Leave for Allah. Allazi, the one who hadana.
Hada, then
He
guided. He guided.
He guided us.
Na us. Okay. Now combine the translation.
All praise and thanks is for Allah, the one who guided us.
The one who created us. So Alladhi is what? What is Alladhi here? The one who created us? Sorry, I did not hear. No. The one who guided us. Musab Hada.
Yes.
Okay. Again, do the translation, please.
All praise and thanks is for Allah, the one who guided us. The
one who guided us. So Allazi here. So the how Allazi is working here. This is basically isma from isma mausul. So it is connecting one part of the sentence with another, and also it give the explanation of something that who is this. All the praises and thanks for Allah, the one who. It is basically explaining the Allah, the one who guided us. Thank you, Musab. So I would go to Arham.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, ya Arham. Arham, if I just say that al asmaul mausula, can you, if I ask you what are asmaul mausula, what will be your reply?
They are the nouns that connect sentences.
What are those? I said, what are asmaul mausula?
They connect asma al
Okay.
mawsula are a
Okay.
set of nouns that
And
connect
they are
sentences.
examples.
Examples are
You said they are the nouns, those connect the part of the sentences.
yes.
So what are those nouns which are connect the parts of sentences? Just it was explained there. I would go to Anusha.
Assalamu
Walaikum
alaikum.
assalam. Anusha, the question is same. Asma'u masula. What they are? They Arham told us that they are nouns which connect the parts of sentences. So what are those nouns which connect the part of sentences? Can you please give examples of those?
Okay. الذين wait. الذين التي اللتان
Okay, what is the meaning of alladhi?
الذي those two who
Alladhi, the meaning, alladhi.
those who
No.
wait.
So
Those who which?
No, is Muhammad bin Ashar there?
The what who?
No, he isn't.
Okay, he is not. So no Shin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. What are Asma'ul Mausula?
They're the nouns that connect
Connect the
Like
part of sentence. Very right. The next is give example.
allazi
Yes. Meaning?
allazi the one who
Okay. What is the
allazi
plural? Yes, you are right. What is the plural of alladhi?
alladina
Meaning?
those who
Those who. These are Isma Mausula. If I say what is the feminine of alladhi?
allati
Meaning?
the one who for female
Female. And what will be the plural of allati? Allati.
what can you repeat
Allati.
allati
Yeah. And other is Allahi.
allahi
Okay, you should just please focus here so that you should remember. We just revise it. First I explained, then we revise. Arham.
Yes, uncle.
Yes. Go ahead and give the meaning. Examples of Isma Mausula.
Allazi, it's singular masculine.
Meaning.
one-
What is the meaning of Allazi?
The one who.
Okay, and the
or
plural
which,
is?
Allazina.
Meaning?
Those who.
Those. What is the feminine of Allazi?
Allati.
Meaning? This is masculine. And feminine of Allazi is what? Allati, the one who. For feminine. The one who for feminine. Allazi.
The one who.
What is the difference between Allazi and Allati?
In Allazi, there's the, and in Allati, it's the.
I don't know what you are saying and what you are explaining, why you are giving me the philosophy of this. I did not ask you about that. I just asked you.
Allazi is feminine, masculine, and Allati is feminine.
This is the answer. The one who meaning. What is Allazina?
Alladina is those who.
Those who. And what is the feminine of Allazina?
Allati or.
Allati. There is alif.
Allati.
Allati. Meaning will be?
Those who.
Those who. If I ask you in next class, what are Asma'ul Mausula? What will be your answer?
There are Three Asma al-Mawsula. Each of them have a masculine and feminine.
Okay, give example. Without example, you will not.
Um,
Nobody will understand it. What you are
Okay.
saying.
Alladhi, the
Yes.
one who, the feminine for alladhi is allati, also
Yes.
the one who.
Okay, this is singular. What about plural?
Plural is alladhina,
Meaning?
those who,
Yes.
and feminine phrase allati,
Or Allah e. And meaning of Allah is
those who.
those who for feminine. Second thing is about dual. What is the dual of Alladhi?
Alladhani.
Alladhani. And what is plural of Allati? What is dual of Allati?
Allatani.
Allatani or Allataini. Alladhani, Alladaini. Those who. Okay. Now come here, Arham.
Yes.
Read this ayah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم.
Okay. What is the topic of today's session?
أسماء الموصولة.
Is there any Asma Masula in this ayah?
Yes.
Point out them. What are those?
They are الذي and الذاني. الذين. Sorry.
Say again.
They are الذي and الذين.
Meaning of Alladhi
الذي is the one who.
and Alladhina.
Those who.
Those who. These are Asma Masul. Very good. Okay, let's try to translate this ayah. U'budu, you all worship.
اعبدوا, you all worship. ربكم, your Lord.
It is Rabbakum basically due to some. So your Lord. Okay.
Your Lord. الذي, the one who. خلقكم, he created you all.
Very good.
And الذين, those who. من, from. قبلكم,
Before you all.
before you all.
Okay, go ahead.
You worship your Lord, the one who created you all.
And those before you all.
Before you all.
Okay, can you please combine the translation again?
Yes. You worship your Lord, the one who created you all, and those before you.
Before you. And what is Alladhi and Alladhina are?
Asma al-Masula.
Asma Masula. Alladhi is?
Allazi is singular, masculine.
And Alladhina is?
Plural, also masculine.
Plural masculine. What is feminine of Alladhi?
The feminine of alladhi is allati.
And Alladhina is?
Allati.
Or
allai.
MashaAllah. Thank you very much, Arham. Great job. Well done. Okay. So I think we have to go for breakout room just to practice meaning and with full focus and concentration. Jazakumullahu khairan.